plotting the graph. So we know the equation. So this red color equation is for inhibitor A. After plotting the graph, so we know the equation. So this red color equation is for inhibitor A. So now we will calculate Km and Vmax value for inhibitor A. So equation is y is equal to 124.9x plus 23.117. So this is the equation for inhibitor A, and if you guys remember, we have done that how we can compare this graph with the Lineweaver formula. So it says that y depicts 1 upon velocity, initial velocity, and then x depicts substrate inverse. And if you guys first compare it with the line graph says y is equal to mx plus c. Here y and you guys know y-axis and x-axis, right? But here m is slope and c is intercept. So from this line graph we can compare it with the Lineweaver-Burk formula, and which says that so y is equal to velocity inverse. We don't need that thing. We need Vmax and Km value. So we will compare this equation with this one, and from this thing we know that Vmax inverse is equal to 23.117. So 1 upon Vmax is equals to 23.117. So that means Vmax is equals to 1 upon 23.117, and the final answer is, anyone with the answer? 0.043. So that's Vmax value. Now we know the Vmax value and we want to calculate Km value. So we are done with this part. Now we will compare slope. We know that slope is 124.9, which is equal to Km upon Vmax value. So Km upon Vmax value. And Vmax we have already calculated here. So we will put the value that Km is equal to 124.9 into Vmax, that is equal to 0.043. And final answer is
5.37.
how much?
5.37.
5.37?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's Km value. This is how we calculate Km and Vmax value. We just compare our equation with the Lineweaver equation, and then we calculate first Vmax and then we calculate Km after calculating Vmax.